Cannabis stocks just had their best week in many years. But the good news for cannabis investors, the hype is real because it's to do with US legalization. But of all the cannabis stocks out there, which is the best one to get into? Well, I'm of the belief that Tilray is the best value cannabis stock to own for now and for the future, and I will provide you 3 reasons why. The third one has made a lot of cannabis investors money already and figures still to do so in the future. Let's talk. The first point, and maybe the most pressing one, is cheap entry point. In my opinion, maybe the best entry point, although that is subjective. And of course, before we proceed further, I want to always caution and warn you that I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. I am merely speaking about a subject I'm passionate about. If you compare the prices of what we consider the cannabis big 3 of Tilray, Aurora Cannabis, and Canopy Growth Corporation, Tilray is priced the cheapest at $1.62 as of right now, versus Aurora at around $8 a share, and Canopy Growth a little above Tilray at $1.9, $1.90. So Tilray has the best entry point so far. So why not, if you're gonna go into cannabis and you wanna invest in a single stock, why not invest in the cheapest one, but one that is still considered one of the mainstays in the industry, the big 3 as I call it, because they have been major players in the cannabis industry since Canadian legalization in 2017. And this is a big advantage in the cannabis space because they are best prepared to make a big move. Them, Aurora, Canopy. But as it stands, Tilray has the best entry point. So that is the first best reason for you to buy Tilray if you are looking to get into cannabis stocks. The second point, which actually in most cases is more important than the cheap entry, which is earnings. And Tilray has been showing quarter over quarter that their earnings are getting better and better. As they expand their footprint internationally, that is a very encouraging sign. And in fact, for any stock, no matter big or small, this is a pillar. Are they making money? Is their concept being proven? And Tilray is showing that. We do have earnings coming up on October 9th, so we need to keep an eye out for that. And now, for the last factor, which has made cannabis investors a lot of money up to date, but has also cost cannabis traders a lot of money, and that is hype and meme stock energy. If any of you guys followed the GameStop saga in COVID, you know the power of what a meme stock is. And forget GameStop. Tilray itself had a meme run back in 2017 where it went to $300 a share in a day. Tilray has the meme hype behind it as well. And again, this week proven by when Trump gave the go-ahead or endorsed cannabis, the one that popped the most was Tilray. While hype and meme energy is never ever something you can bank on, you absolutely need to be paying attention to it, because when a stock goes up that much or drops that much, these are big signs either way. But right now, it's looking like it's poised for another massive breakout to the upwards level, which is great news if you can get in before that happens. So those are the 3 reasons why I believe Tilray is the best value cannabis stock to own. Now, I do believe there is one other competitor who is a great buy, and that is Aurora. I will be doing that video next. Let me know if you want me to do that in the comments. Thanks for listening. Peace.